Hi, I'm Sophie from Encodian, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can start to use process mining with your cloud flows in Power Automate so you can start to get insights and analyze them to make them perform better. So I'm just going to use a flow that I already have. So I'm going to go into Power Automate and just open up my supplier report creation flow. I'm just going to let this load up. So once this is loaded, we can see that we can access the process mining area from two places. You can either go there from this button in the top ribbon here, or you can also go there through this box on the right hand side as well to improve your flow. So I've already run process mining on this flow, so the report is all ready to go. However, if it's your first time running it for a flow, it will just take a few minutes to load everything up and to gather the data. So once it's gathered the data, this is what it's going to look like, and this is the process mining report. So what's on the report? We can see that here that we can see our mean run duration times, so you can get a feel of how long your flow is taking to run. And if your flow is taking too long to run, then this is the perfect place for you to have a look at the insights to see how you can get your runtime down and what actions are actually going to be causing this long duration time. We can see a nice pie chart here with the failed and succeeded flows, the different run counts for the different versions of the flow. We can see all about the paths and this nice line graphic here about the runs and actions. I'm going to delve into this map a little bit more, and to do this I'm just going to blow it up into the map screen just to make it a bit bigger. So this is the process map, and there's a few different filters and things that we can look at with the map. So at the moment we are looking at the frequency. You can also look at the performance and the rework as well. And as you've probably noticed, we do have our friend Copilot sat here in the sidebar. So you can actually start to ask questions about the process mining process, about the insights and the data that you're receiving, and you can ask for top level insights of your flow as well. So I'm actually going to ask it what rework is because I'm not 100% sure. So I'm just going to say what is rework, and then using its AI capabilities it's going to come back with an answer. So we can see here that it's given me a nice little paragraph about what rework actually means. So yes, using Copilot you can ask to get insights about your Power Automate, but you can actually just ask about things within the process mining area as well, just making it a lot easier to understand the data that it's presenting you. So say you're not happy with the runtime of your flow, my flow was about 10 seconds, you can investigate the performance of your different actions and steps here by coming to the performance area. And I can scroll down, and if there's any arrows in red, that means that they take the longest. So you can see here, these big thick red arrows are the areas that are not performing as well as they could be, or as well as the others, or are taking a long time to do their thing. So you can start to use the map to see kind of, you can go back to your flow and have a look at how you can make changes to make it more efficient. You can actually ask Copilot as well what you can do to improve your flow. So I'm just going to say, how can I improve this flow? And this will go ahead, it will have a look at your flow and hopefully bring us back a response. So it has brought us back a response, but this is more of a generic response about how you can just make more efficient and more high performant flows. So it's just giving us very generic answer here, which is just best practices. So let's try and reword this and think of another way we can get Copilot to look at this specific flow. This flow. And we can see upon rewording our phrase, yes, we've got a few more generic things, but actually Copilot has gone in and it's found different activities and different steps and actions within the flow that are affecting the efficiency, affecting the time, and that maybe need to go in and be edited or re-looked at if we want to make the flow perform better. And the last tab we have as well is variant DNA. So here we can come through and we can see each of the different variants of the flow as it's been built. You get a nice overview of what actions are involved in each variant as well, and you can see as well some more data about variants here too. And of course, if you wanted to analyse this further, you can speak to Copilot and ask Copilot questions as well. So that was just a quick insight into how you can start to use process mining to analyse your cloud flows. So this feature is in preview at the moment, but it's really good just to go in, have a play around and get a feel for kind of the analytics that you get so that you can improve your flows, and when you build new flows, have those insights top of mind so you can make them as efficient as possible. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or to get in touch. And as always, happy automating.